A SimpliSafe system, as the name suggests, is engineered to be incredibly simple. Anyone can set it up in about 30 minutes with no tools and no wiring. First, plug in the base station. It's the brains of the system that communicates with your sensors and our monitoring center. Now, the base station will walk you through the rest of the installation with voice prompts. Mount the keypad somewhere convenient, like next to your front door. Adding a sensor to your system is really simple. Just push the test button and you'll be prompted to choose a name. The system will then confirm the sensor has been added. Our entry sensors work with nearly every window and door in any home. First, make sure the magnet and the sensor can be placed within 2 inches of each other. If they're aligned correctly, a blue light will flash. When the connection has been confirmed, peel the adhesive on the back of the sensor and press it in place for 30 seconds. Now, do the same with the magnet. Next, you'll add a motion sensor. You do this the same way as adding the window and door sensors. Motion sensors are beautifully designed, so they blend seamlessly into any space. They can be placed flush against a wall or in a corner to overlook an entire room. When you're finished placing your sensors, just download the app to activate monitoring. To feel confident that you've done it correctly, you can even put your system in test mode and set off the alarm on purpose. Then, we'll call you to confirm your system is connected. Now you can easily customize all of your settings in the app or on the keypad. After that, you're done. It's that simple. It just takes minutes to help protect you and your family 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.